Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to another video today. Just before we get started, I wanted to say thank you very much for all of the support I've been getting on this YouTube channel so far. This is still very new to me, one of my first few videos, so being in front of a camera is still kind of strange to me. But thank you for the support and I really hope you've been enjoying the videos so far. Now for today's video, I felt like shooting some street photography again, this time with my Contax T2. Now it's a bit of a gloomy, overcast day today, so I thought it'd be perfect to shoot some black and white film. The plan is to head into Sydney's Chinatown market, shoot a couple rolls there, bring you guys along with me, so let's get shooting. This is Sydney's Chinatown, the oldest Chinatown in Australia, starting to form around in the 1920s. Over the last many decades, it has grown into a vibrant and bustling location, making it a great spot for street photography. This is Darling Square, a newly developed area with cafes, bars, in a vibrant urban surrounding. Sitting between Chinatown and Darling Harbour, there is a lot of people coming through constantly, making it a great spot for some street photography opportunities. Along my walk, I noticed these mirror structures, and I wanted to spend some time here to get a good composition of this group of cyclists. Positioning the reflections in the foreground of this image creates a lot of depth and many layers in the photograph. Honestly though, maybe it's a bit too chaotic for my liking, and next time I might look for a more simpler approach, as I do prefer a minimalist style when composing images. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. I haven't really shot black and white film in a while, so I'm not too sure how these photos will come out. However, if you did like the content, please leave a like or a comment, and I'll be posting more of these videos soon. So let me know how you like them and subscribe for more. Okay, see you guys.